Alright, I got tons and tons of help today. Big build day, taking panels out, putting them back together, and hopefully getting some walls up. Got all the support beams staged out here, and then as we take the panels out, then we have more fantastic necessary helpers, bringing them the ones that the numbers that match. As you can see, there's numbers on all of them. I definitely like how it looks like it's getting emptied. Woohoo! Finally, sweet relief. The rain is finally here, giving us some reprieve. Bastard sun. Break time for lunch for all the hard-working peoples. Is ended. It is, let's see, I don't know what time is this. 4:30, which our time limit was 5, so I think we did great. We had to move all of these back inside because, well, they're in the driveway. I didn't want people to think they were for free. So yeah, not going to spend unnecessary money on the haunt. Anyhow, so everything's just staged over here, waiting to go in to the scary times. And then I thought we did not get as much done as we did, but it looks like we did about half the panels today, which is fantastic. And then we have some here that are going in a different area that are put together. Have some more stuff ready to be staged to put it together. And the rest of those right there, ready to go. Same thing with these. These are going in a different spot, which is why those are staged someplace else. But we did get a bunch put together. Fantastic. Can't do it without you. Literally, not figuratively. Squeeze through there. Okay. So, have a little view of this. What they're going to see. Yay! We did the mural. Yeah, it's not quite right. That one goes over there, but you know what? I don't care. They're not going to have enough time to notice the flaws. So entrance door for this section. Remember, there's another entrance over there. We have these giving it some extra support. Obviously, we have the upper ones. You can't see the ones on the other side from here. And this is where we stopped for the day. Nice, nice, nice. I can't wait to do more. Nothing better than the smell of haunt panels. If you know, then you know. You know. More excited than I can say. And we will see you very soon. Bye-bye.